All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to put a twist on that classic original Sloppy Joe. Instead of the bun, we're gonna turn it into a casserole. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here, we have our ground beef. We have our macaroni pasta here, onions, beef broth, Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese here, yellow mustard, seasoned salt, chopped garlic, red and green bell peppers here, tomato sauce, tomato soup, and this is the Campbell's version, tomato paste, brown sugar, black pepper, W sauce, apple cider vinegar, and I don't know if I said seasoned salt. If I didn't, this is seasoned salt. So that's all you need. Let's get into it. All right, guys, to get started, we're gonna prepare our macaroni pasta according to the box instructions. I already got our water up to boil. I already salted it. All we're gonna do is add our pasta. We're gonna cook that to al dente, remove it, drain it, set it aside until we're ready to use it in the recipe. So now let's head over to our cooktop and start browning our ground beef. All right, to get started, we're gonna add our ground beef here to our pan. We're gonna start breaking this up as we go. Once we kind of get it broken down just a little bit, we're gonna go in with our seasoned salt, our black pepper. Guys, I'm gonna hit it with a little garlic powder too, and a little onion powder. And we're gonna continue to get this broken up and cook all the way through until it's brown. All right, so once your beef is brown, you're gonna go in with your onions, red and green peppers, and your garlic. And we're gonna saute our veggies until they're softened. This could take a few minutes or so. So after about 5 minutes, we're gonna add our brown sugar, our apple cider vinegar, our yellow mustard, that W sauce, tomato soup, tomato paste, and our beef broth. We're gonna get all this mixed together and combine well. All right, guys, once that's combined well, and you should notice it's turned like a darkish red, we're gonna drop our heat and let this simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. We're looking for this mixture to thicken slightly. All right, so after that 7 to 10 minutes, you wanna add your pasta here to your meat mixture. And you wanna get this mixed in and get it well combined. And guys, once you have this mixed well, you wanna turn off your heat. Let's head over to our cutting board and get our prepared baking dish. All right, so now we're gonna take our prepared greased baking dish and we're gonna add our pasta mixture. We're gonna get that spread out evenly. And guys, you wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now we're gonna start adding our cheese to the top. All right, so now we're gonna place this in our oven for 20 minutes until that cheese is melted and bubbly. All right, let's get it in the oven. And guys, this is what we have after about 20 minutes in the oven. Take a look at this, man. Cheese melted perfectly over our casserole. Now we're gonna head over to our cutting board. We're gonna get this baby plated up and we're gonna jump into quality control. And guys, there you have it. Sloppy Joe casserole. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. And guess what? I don't even have no green stuff today in my refrigerator, so we ain't gonna add none of that green stuff. Let's go. All right, guys, it's quality control time. Man, let's take a look at this pasta, man. Casserole pasta, man, look at that. Man, need groceries. Let's go ahead and test this baby out. That's what we want to know. Oh man, that baby cheesy. Oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah. That thing tomato-y too. Oh yeah. I know y'all thinking beefaroni. With the tomato profile and that brown sugar, oh man. Way different than beefaroni. Oh man, this is good. Y'all already know. Go ahead and add this one. So, guys, until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. Remember, him not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.